Hi, I'm Helen from Acrylic, and today we're painting a really easy summer landscape. I've got my 8x10 canvas, 3 paintbrushes today, a filbert, a small round and a large flat. I'll go through the paint colours and brushes as we go and also show them at the end of the video. We're going to do a really simple sky with some cobalt blue and white, and we'll just get that onto the canvas with a large flat brush. Now I'm going to make a bluey green colour with some cobalt blue, a little cadmium yellow, a tiny amount of black and some white, and we'll use this to paint in the hills in the distance. I've added a little more black to the mix to make it slightly darker at the bottom of the hill. To make a nice bright green colour, I'm adding a little more cadmium yellow and some white, and we'll block out the grass on the left hand side and in the distance. Now we'll add some really easy fluffy white clouds. I've got my filbert brush and titanium white paint. The blue paint is dried, so I'm just brushing the white paint on in a circular motion. We can add a couple of trees now. I'm going to paint in the trunks with mostly black paint with just a tiny bit of cobalt blue added to it. Then we can come in with our filbert brush again and our dark green and start blocking out the tree shape. For the highlights where the sun's hitting the tree, I'm using my light green again, which is cobalt blue, cadmium yellow, and a little bit of white. Now it's time to have some fun and start painting in the lavender. I've got my brilliant purple, a little bit of cobalt blue on the brush there too, with some white, and we'll block out where the lavender's going to be, and for this I'm using the side of my filbert brush. I think we'll put a little bit of water in the foreground to give us some nice reflections. For this I've got white and cobalt blue, and we'll just mark out where that water's going to be. We can add a little more lavender in the foreground, and we'll also put some more detail in this because it's closest to the front of the painting. Thanks for painting with me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, please hit that like button for me. See you next time.